The first recipe I will prepare today is the soy milk. For this recipe, you need to soak 100 grams of soybeans overnight in 2 liters of water. It is very important for this recipe to use this quality of soybeans, which is like lightly yellow soybeans. Then you leave them aside one night, and the next morning they will become like softer and plumpier, and then you add them to the blender. And then you add the water. Usually for every 100 grams of soybeans I use 1 liter of water, but you can also choose other proportion if you want to make a thicker milk. Then as a sweetener I use some dates or maple syrup and a little bit of vanilla extract. Put everything inside the blender and blend it in medium speed for 2 minutes. I love to make my own vegan milk, soy milk or other milks, because sometimes in supermarkets I find products has inside chemical additives which I don't like to put inside my body, and I want something to be healthier. So that's why I'm posting this video today. Let's get back to the recipe. After blending everything, take a bowl and a double mesh strainer. I use this double mesh strainer to strain the milk, but you can use in alternative a nut milk bag, a cheesecloth, or even a clean muslin cloth. And then you drain it well and the milk is ready to boil. Pour the soy milk into a pot and bring it to a boil on medium-low heat for 15 minutes. Stir well in between. When the milk boils, it will create a little bit of foam. Don't worry, it's normal. Try to skim the foam off with a skimming spoon. I use the skimming spoon, but also a spoon will do the work. And then the milk is ready. Let it to get colder and enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed that, and of course, if you like this video, please subscribe, and we'll see each other the next time.